Hello my little Frenchies, I'm Mervyn Gowrie and this is What the French, the channel that will teach you how to speak French the right way, the cool way, the short lesson guys. So make sure you stick to it. Today we're going to talk about the expression il y a. Like if there is one French expression like this would definitely be in the top 3. Il y a. So let's get right into that video right after this. Okay, so today il y a, il y a, il y a. Okay, I said it 3 times so you get really used to, really familiar with the sound of it. Okay, il y a, il y a, il y a. So literally it means it has there, but in everyday life it simply means there is, there are. Okay, so people use it all the time, everywhere. It's not specific to one city, it's not specific to Paris. French people use it all the time, everywhere. It's usually followed by either an indefinite pronoun, indefinite article, and a combination of a number and a noun. For example, the number and noun would be il y a 2 chats. Il y a 2 chats. The indefinite pronoun would be il y a un chat. Il y a un chat. And the indefinite article, for example, il y a des chats. Il y a des chats. So these are some kind of examples that you will be using a lot when you go to France, and it's again very popular. And one more thing really important is that it's often followed by a period of time that means ago. Ago is the equivalent of ago. For example, I've been to Paris 8 years ago. I've been to Paris 8 years ago would be translated like j'ai été à Paris il y a 8 ans. J'ai été à Paris il y a 8 ans. Il y a 8 ans. Now you can use it too to ask a question. Like for example, you have 2 ways to ask a question. You can use est-ce que, okay. For example, je vais à Paris. You can ask the question like est-ce que tu vas à Paris? Okay, for example. And then for the second form, you can use the inversion like y a-t-il. Y a-t-il. Il y a becomes y a-t-il. For example, if we take the example from the beginning of that lesson, il y a des chatons. Y a-t-il des chatons? Okay. Il y a des chatons. Y a-t-il des chatons? And as you can see, like right in the middle of that screen, there is the actual spelling. So make sure you write it well because it's really important. This is really tricky when it comes to writing exam, or when you have to write an essay or do an assignment or whatever. When you use y a-t-il, most of the time people make that typo, that mistake. So make sure you don't. That's why you're here. And the last 2 aspects of il y a will be the interrogation form. Like for example, if you say, okay, let's stick with cats, right? Why is there a cat in my bed? In my bed. Why is there a cat in my bed? Which sound like pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a un chat dans mon lit? Pourquoi, like why? Est-ce qu'il y a, like is there, un chat dans mon lit, a cat in my bed. Pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a un chat dans mon lit? So this is the complete interrogative form to ask a question. And then of course you have the negative form, which includes, like, it's like you have to like incorporate in the sentence the negative form in French. It's ne et pas. Okay. It's ne or n apostrophe. If it's followed by a vowel. So ne, an apostrophe, and pas at the end. For example, il y a des chats, il y a deux chats. And the negative form is il n'y a pas de chat. Il n'y a pas de chat. So il n'y a pas de chat. So there you go. We cleared the mystery around il y a, the famous French expression that you will hear a lot, everywhere, all the time. So I hope you guys found value in that video, in that short video. I try to make it as short as possible so you don't elongate extend the video for nothing, giving you tons of examples. I think with a few examples you can really get a grasp of those expressions, really like typical French expressions. So if I'm going too fast, if you would like more examples, or leave a comment and I'll give you some more to help you make progress in French and to help you speak like a native. And this is the main purpose. This is the goal of that channel, is to provide you some cool content every day, every single day I post. So make sure you stick to it. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching that video until this point actually. So make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell to get notified every time I drop a new video every single day. And in the meantime, I hope you're making progress. If you have any problem, leave a comment in the section and I'll reply to you. So that's it. I'm done. See you in the next one.